however, is in focus. It's fired up in trade after reporting its Q4 numbers. Revenue and profit came in at a multi-quarter high. Vamakshi is here with more.
Well, that's right. Revenue and net profit has come in at a multi-quarter high for Railtel. When we look at the revenue growth, it has been very strong. Revenue has seen an uptick of almost 57%, but the EBITDA margin has come under slight bit of pressure. EBITDA margin has contracted by nearly 27 basis points, and largely this is on account of higher, it's a very sharp jump that has come in. The expenses on projects, it's a nearly 86% jump, putting pressure on the margin. EBITDA too has seen an uptick of almost 54%. Despite that, the net profit on the other hand has come in at 113 crores. This is a 46% uptick. So overall, when you look at the numbers, they look quite strong. Now let's also look at the segment-wise performance that the company has posted for their project work services, which has now contributed a significant portion to the company's revenue. The revenue saw an uptick of almost 91%. The margins too have seen a substantial improvement from 2.4% to 4.9%. So an increase in the contribution from this particular segment could also be putting some pressure on the margins. On the other hand, telecom services, which comes with a much higher margin, has seen a revenue growth of only 7%. PBT margin has improved by 103 basis points out here to 23.5%. So overall, when we look at the numbers that have come in from the company, very strong growth in revenue driven by the project work services, but the contraction in margin, a bit of concern, but nevertheless, the street is not paying any attention to that. The stock is firing up in trade on the back of a strong set.
Okay, all right, Vamakshi. Thanks very much for that. So that's on Railtel, but Marico